Good evening, students. How are you all? Who all did not go to school today? Everyone went? You went to school? Okay. So today I will tell you which food you have to eat and which food you should not eat. Okay. So 6 types of food you have to eat. How many types? 6 types of food. And 6 types of food you should not eat. So the first one is, you have, as a South Indian, the first food that comes to our mind is which one? Rice. Okay. You can eat rice. You can eat millets. Millets means what? Yes. Ragulu. How many of you are drinking ragi malt? Ambali? Yes, it is very good food. You should drink it every day. Down your hands. Down your hands. Jowar, Bajra, Samalu, Korralu. Okay? That type of foods what are available here, you should eat it regularly. By eating that, you will get more energy to study and to play also. So you have to eat it regularly. Got it? And the second one is vegetables. Okay, which type of vegetables you should eat?
Green color.
Yes. Carrot, beetroot, cauliflower, cabbage. Okay. So, yes, very good. Yes. Especially you have to eat carrot, beetroot, spinach. Spinach means you know? Not totakura. Yes. What is that? Palakura. You should eat leafy vegetables. Okay? Leafy vegetables. And green vegetables. Which vegetables? Green vegetables. You can eat beans, lady's finger, and different beans or lady's finger. Yes, you can eat. Okay. So by eating vegetables, you will get more immunity. What you will get? Immunity. When you have immunity, even if you get fever now, what it will happen? You can bear and the fever will go away. Okay? So you have to eat vegetables. Next one, you have to eat fruits. How many of you are eating fruits regularly? Okay, very good. Hands down. Name some fruit names. Yes. You can eat banana, apple, guava, papaya, mango. Okay. Which fruit? Yes, dragon fruit. Is it available? Okay, right. Fruits gives us vitamins. What it will give? Vitamins. So without any chemicals, instead of eating outside food, you can eat fruits. What you should eat? Fruits. And the next one is dal and pulses. What? What is the meaning of dal? Papulu. Different type of dals you have to eat. Dal is where they use dal? In dal curry, in sambar. So you have to eat sambar and dal also. Okay? And pulses means? Yes. Pulses means like jeedupappu. What? Cashew nut, almonds, badam pappu, groundnut. Yes, pallilu. Right? So you have to eat it regularly. And next one is milk, curd, eggs and meat. You have to drink milk regularly. How many of you are drinking? How many of you are drinking milk? Okay. Yes, hands down. Kaushik, you are not drinking? Hey, you should drink it regularly, man. Who is not drinking milk? Swaraj, Navya, Manohar, you should drink milk, okay? And you should eat curd also. Okay, hands down, hands down. And regarding meat, you can eat fish, you can eat chicken. Mutton is a red meat, no? You can eat, but you should not eat it regularly. Chicken, you can eat it. Okay, seafood you can consume. You can eat seafood also. So it will help for the brain development. What? Brain development. And the next one is you should eat dry fruits and nuts. Dry fruit means, can you name? Yes. Yes. Yes, date palm, kismis, pumpkin seeds, almonds, pista, groundnuts, sunflower seeds. Yes, very good. You should eat it regularly. Hey, papaya seed you should not eat. You are eating papaya seed? You should not eat. Okay. So, till now we have seen what we should eat. Now I will tell you what we should. So, the first food we should not eat is junk foods. What? Tell me some junk food names. Burger, pizza, noodles. Yes, these are the things you should not eat regularly. If you want to eat, you can eat it monthly once or twice in a month. Like that you can eat. Okay? But don't eat regularly. Niharika, book down. And the next one is you should not eat chips and packed snacks. Chips. If you eat chips, what it will happen? Do you know? It will cause obesity. What is obesity? Becoming more fat. Hey, don't tell like that. So you should not eat what? Chips and packed snacks. And the next food is soft drinks. Soft drinks means, can you name them? Yes. See, if you want to drink often, no, regularly you should not drink. But you can drink like monthly, twice or like that. Okay? You should not drink it regularly. Fruity also you should not drink it regularly. Right? Maaza also, all the drinks. Okay? It will damage the teeth also. And you should not eat too many sweets. What you should not eat? Too many sweets. Okay, occasionally you can eat. What? Occasionally you can eat. Occasionally you can eat it. When you can eat it? Occasionally means weekly once or twice you can eat sweet. But you should not eat it regularly. You should not eat regularly. And next food you should not eat is instant foods. Instant food means what? Maggi or instant noodles. Okay? Such kind of foods, you should be far away from that. You should not eat it. Yes, pasta also you should not eat it regularly. Because more chemicals are used in instant foods. What are used? Chemicals. And the next one is bakery items you should not eat. What is that? Yes, puff and pastry. Yes, buns, ice cream. Okay, you should not eat them regularly because If you eat also now, you will not get any kind of energy from that. You will not get any energy. And the last thing is, you should drink lot of water. How many glasses you should drink?
5.
At least 6 to 8. Okay? 6 to 8 glasses you have to drink. Who will drink? Yes, hands down. Yes, students. How many of you are willing to eat only healthy food? Junk food? Okay, so from today onwards, you are not going to eat any junk food. Okay, very good.